Hello everyone, the strongest concealed carry handguns on the market will be the topic of our discussion today. You've come to the right place if you're searching for a little pistol that is yet capable of delivering a powerful blow while being carried conveniently on your person. We've done the research and prepared a list of the top 5 most powerful compact carry pistols available. Now, let's get started without further ado. 5. Glock 43X. The Glock 43X is first on our list. Both dependability and ease of usage are hallmarks of this pistol. If you need a small handgun for self-defense, this is a fantastic alternative. The 10-round, 9mm chambered Glock 43X has a capacity. It weighs only 18 ounces, which is exceptionally light. Also, the Glock 43X is thin in profile, making it simple to conceal and carry on your person. The accuracy and usability of this handgun make it a favorite among law enforcement personnel as well. 4. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield is the next item. This pistol has a 9mm chamber and a 7-round magazine. It weighs only 19 ounces, making it exceptionally small and light. Anyone looking for a small pistol for self-defense may consider the M&P Shield because of its reputation for dependability and accuracy. The ability to conceal it and carry it on your person is also very simple. 3. Sig Sauer P365. Another well-known small-carried pistol is the Sig Sauer P365. This handgun features a 10-round capacity and a 9mm chamber. It weighs just 17.8 ounces, which makes it exceptionally small and light. A superb choice for people looking for a small handgun for self-defense, the P365 is also renowned for its accuracy and dependability. The X-ray 3-day night sights on this handgun are another distinctive feature that makes it simple to acquire targets in any lighting condition. 2. Springfield Armory Hellcat. Those who enjoy guns frequently choose the Springfield Armory Hellcat. This 9mm pistol can hold 13 rounds and is chambered in that caliber. It weighs only 18.3 ounces, which makes it exceptionally small and light. For those seeking a small pistol for self-defense, the Hellcat is a fantastic choice because of its reputation for accuracy and dependability. It also boasts a distinctive feature known as the adaptive grip texture, which enables a safe and comfortable grip in any circumstance. 1. Kimber Micro 9. The barrels of stainless steel machine micro slides have the best moisture resistance and are manufactured with the strictest permissible tolerances. For integrity and strength, every micro frame is crafted from the highest quality aluminum. One of the most significant features of the Micro 9, which might be thought of as a smaller version of the 1911, is its single-action trigger, which has the kind of short, smooth pull that ensures accuracy and inspires confidence. The slide release, magazine release, and thumb safety are all authentic 1911 features. The ejection port is flared and lowered for faultless ejection, and the magazine well is beveled for quick positive loading, among other improvements that come as standard. Sights are mounted in machine dovetails for added integrity and are made of steel rather than plastic. An extra 7-round magazine is included with every Micro 9. Micro 9 pistols are the best option for many uses, especially for shooters with small hands and those who demand minimal recoil along with appropriate power for home or hidden carry. The best aspect is that they offer Kimber unparalleled quality, dependability, and performance. So there you have it, our list of the most potent concealed carried pistols available. For people who seek a firearm that is dependable and convenient to carry on one's person, these handguns are a fantastic solution. These pistols are certain to satisfy your needs for personal protection and self-defense, whether you're a law enforcement official or a civilian. It's crucial to keep in mind that using weapons is a serious responsibility, and appropriate training and safety precautions should always be followed. Please remember to subscribe to our channel so that you can see more exciting videos. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.